Hi, in this video we see how to create a group from your contacts with multiple numbers and send a SMS to the group at a time. So sometimes it will be very problem to send individual SMS to individual persons. So if you create a group like friends, family, colleagues like that, it will be very easy to send the to forward the SMS to that particular group. So first of all, go to your contacts and here click on my groups. See, there is already some predefined groups are there. So I would like to create a new group here now. Now click on plus icon. Now select the account where you have stored all your contacts. I'm selecting my Gmail. Now give a name to the group. Click OK. Now click on add. So from here you can select the contacts. Now once you selected the required contact, click OK. Yes. Now the group is successfully created and the contact are added successfully. So to send SMS to this group, click on SMS, select the members. If you want to send the message to particular members only, then you can uncheck here. Otherwise, you can select all and click OK. Here we need to paste the SMS. Now just send it. So that's it. The message is successfully sent to 8 recipients. See, we are getting the received message. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi friend, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing. Bye.